Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can play back your uh, songs or anything in your feed. When you just scroll down, you can see these videos, and it will be automatically on with speaker, and volume is it sounds. How you can do it? Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start, friends. First you have to open YouTube and click on this U icon. Click on the settings, and here it is a general settings. Click on general settings, and here it is a playback in feeds. If you enable this feature and press back, we have to open, search anything like this, and friends, you can see without tapping any of the video it is playing. You can see this is how you can enable feeds in your playbacks in your feeds. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.